sami marniemy się.
Bad weather in the form of a strong storm and heavy rain triggered severe flooding in Portoferraio, Elba Island, on Friday the 14th of February. The bad weather reportedly brought heavy rain of around 65 millimeters, 2.56 inches, in just 1 hour, which fell in several regions of Italy. Heavy rain displaced dozens of people, prompting emergency teams, including Italy's Civil Protection Department and firefighters, to carry out rescues across the region. 3 people trapped in their homes were evacuated, while 28 other people stranded in vehicles on Portoferraio's main road were rescued from floods and landslides. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in Italy experienced extreme weather last Friday. The most critical rescue operations took place in the Casaccia and Via del Carburo areas, where houses were submerged, leaving several residents trapped. Not only that, roads are flooded, road access is blocked, and emergency responders have carried out many rescues as water levels continue to rise. As a result of this incident, schools, public facilities and tourist attractions were closed, and authorities appealed to residents to avoid travel.